Okay, Doak cooks, I've been quiet this whole time, but let's get into this. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Whether you choose to celebrate this holiday or not, hopefully you are together with family, friends, people you somewhat like. to celebrate a day of family and friends. Let's just keep it as simple as that. I am doing a duck. If you've read the description, we're not doing a rotisserie. We're going to do it in the oven. We're going to roast it. I'm doing a bunch of different pieces and things to this. I need to tie this up with some string now so I can get it in my roasting pan and in the oven. We have a time crunch here. So yeah, well, I'll come back in a second. So real quick, we keep our string in an empty talenti container. So what we'll do is we put back that way, stick it in the pantry, and then when we need it, we pop it out. Just a little easy hack, because these things can become unruly when they get all undone. So yeah, empty talenti container. It's a yummy way to eat down your Tupperware. So all right, let's tie this bird up. So while the duck is in the oven, this is the only additional raw piece from the duck that I'm going to retain. The other pieces I didn't, because I'm not doing a stock. I'm not really doing anything else with that. But what I have here, and a handful of you have seen me do a version of this before, usually with chicken, not with duck, because I don't use duck very often. But what I'm doing right now is I am cutting up this duck neck into small little bite-sized pieces, because this is arguably one of the greatest dog treats you can give your dog. They're raw little bits of bone, cartilage, fat, muscle, tissue, whatever you got. These little bits are lovely. Your dog will thank you. And since it is a day of family and friends and celebration, I figure my dog should partake just like us. So I'm gonna give her a few of these. I'm gonna clean up my area. I'm gonna get my butter prepped for the glaze in about 55 minutes. And then we'll come back. So I'll see you all in a few. All right, now I was gonna try and be super dramatic. My daughter's actually on camera right now, so I told her not to speak. But I just need to zoom in real quick. Holy smokes. In one word, what does that smell like?
Delicious.
Okay. All right, let's put this back in 45 minutes. We're gonna glaze it one more time. Oh my goodness. See you in 45. So we are now at the stage where I have to pack this up into the crock pot. And then we go over to my son and daughter's place and we carve up the duck. Butter glazed roasted duck. Dude, this is gonna be delicious. All right, well, I'll see you guys over at their place. Again, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Be super safe, please. See you in a few. One.
I got a broken fit. I got a